Good morning, everyone. I am going to present on my topic Kokomo model. What is Kokomo model? First, we'll understand what is Kokomo model. Kokomo model is a cost estimation model, cost constructive model. We can say that. Okay, why we are using this Kokomo model? Because if we are making our software, we are producing our software, so we should know our market value of the market value of our product. So how we calculate our value? So here is a model which explains cost, which construct cost. So we can calculate our software product calculation by Kokomo model. It is proposed by William in 1981. It is the heuristic project estimation technique and it uses both single and multivariable estimation. As we know, cost estimation, there is a stages in this Kokomo model which prescribes three stages. First one is the basic Kokomo model, second one is the intermediate Kokomo model, and third one is the complete Kokomo model. So first we'll see basic Kokomo model. Basic Kokomo model is what? It is used for quick and slightly rough calculation of software cost. Its accuracy is restricted because due to the absence of sufficient factor consideration. Means we can calculate our accuracy by an appropriate estimation technique, which in here a formula is given. We can calculate our cost by effort and time development. Effort, how much effort we have given to our product and how much time is spent for developing a product, we can calculate by this. So here is a formula: effort is equal to A1 into KLOC of A2 square and PM. So here PM is also a word. What is PM? PM means person month. Here we can see, here it is written what is PM. PM is a person month, and already explained what is DEV. DEV is the time to develop the software product. A1, A2, B1, B2 are the constant for different categories for your software product. And KLOC. What do you mean by KLOC? KLOC means estimated kilo lines of source code. So how much KLOCs are there? Like we can calculate our coding. We can see in our coding. In our coding is also present what the KLOC is used. Like for example, 4,000, 5,000, 4,500, 10,000. These are all the KLOC's values. Okay. From this we can calculate the basic Kokomo product. Okay. So here first we will understand person month. Here one terminology is used, person month. What do you mean by person month? It means unit to measure effort. Like how we measure the effort of that developer person. Okay. So how we can calculate, like the effort in individual can put in a month, or what is the productivity losses due to time lost or taken into account. So from graph we can see here in x-axis and y-axis both it is present. In x-axis time in month, and in y-axis number of person working on the project. Okay, so how much time is spent and how much workers are present and how much persons are working in the project. So we can calculate time in a month basis. Okay. So here also types of software development project are there. Like first we can see organic, second one is the semi-detached, and third one is the embedded. So here question arises from in our university exams and in our competitive exams. These are all the questions. What is the organic? How we can use organic Kokomo model? calculate this COCOMO model by organic product, by semi-detached model, or by embedded model. So first we'll see in basic COCOMO model, what is the organic complexity? Organic complexity is project should be well-defined application program. Size of the development team is responsible, means size of development team is small. Team was experienced in developing similar type of project. Like we can understand, our team is a small and similar type of projects we are using and we are developing constantly is all under basic COCOMO model. Okay, so basic COCOMO model in organic complexity, how we can calculate the effort and time development. So here is the formula. Effort is equal to 2.4 into KLOC to the power 1.05 into person per month. Or development time estimation we can calculate. Time development is equal to 2.5 into effort to the power 0.38 into month. So here we have to learn by heart the formulas, because from the formulas we can calculate these all product cost estimation. Okay, now second one is the semi-detached. First one is our organic, second one is our semi-detached. What do you mean by organic? Means small type of project or similar type of project. And what do you mean by semi-detached? Semi-detached means in this development team is comprised of both experienced and inexperienced member. Means mix of the members are there. Someone is a fresher and someone are experienced member. Team have limited experience in developing similar type of project and may be unfamiliar with some aspects of the system. Means constantly we are working in the same project, so experienced persons are having that type of experience, but unfamiliar also aspects are also coming from this semi-detached complexity. Okay, so here is the formula. We can see semi-detached complexity means formula for effort estimation. Effort is equal to 3.0 into KLOC 1.12 into person per month. Or development time estimation is the time development is equal to 2.5 into effort 0.35 into month. So here next one is the embedded complexity. First one is the organic, means small project. Second one is the semi-detached, means experience and non-experience both members were there. Third one is the embedded, coupled of hardware or software is both used in this embedded complexity. Like regulations, operational processes are existing in this type of project. Team have limited experience on related system but unfamiliar with some aspects of the system. So here big deal with coupled with hardware also. Your software is coupled with highly coupled with hardware like IoT based project, and all these projects will fall in this embedded complexity. So here is the formula which explains the formula for effort estimation. Like effort is equal to 3.6 into KLOC 1.20 to the power person month. Or formula for development time estimation is equal time development is equal to 2.5 into effort 0.32 to the power into month. So here is the embedded complexity. So we can see in summary, basic COCOMO model is organic, semi-detached and embedded. All these three types of complexities are there. In organic, small project, always having similar type of project will produce in that weight organic project. Second one is this semi-detached. In semi-detached, both experience and non-experience both were there, and in embedded mean software and hardware both based projects were there. Okay, so here is the graphical representation. We can see in graphical representation here is the development time versus size and effort versus size. Both graphs are present. Development time versus size means we have calculated for all these organic, semi-detached and embedded complexity. Normal persons for developing time or time versus size or effort versus product size both were also there, we can see from our graph. Okay, so here is one example for basic COCOMO model. We can see See here one example is there. Suppose a project was estimated, here is an example, having KLOC 400 and we have to calculate effort and development time both for each of the three models. Okay, organic, semi-detached and embedded. So here in the solution we can see our given part is 400 kilos. Okay, now first one is the organic mode, second one is the semi-detached mode and third one is the embedded. In organic mode we can put in the formula is what? E is equal to 2.4 into KLOC. Here we will put the value of KLOC is 400 to the power of 1.05. So here we will calculate the effort 1.29 5.31% per month, and effort we will put this effort in time development and calculate the time development means 2.5 into effort means 1295.31 into 0.38 is the effort. So here is the 38.007 month. Okay, same semi-detached embedded mode will also be calculated. So here is the example for this. Next one is the intermediate. Up till now we have studied about only basic COCOMO. Now second one is the intermediate COCOMO. Intermediate COCOMO means it refines the initial estimate obtained by using the basic COCOMO model. And these 15 cost drivers are multiplied with the initial cost and effort estimated by the basic COCOMO. And the scale of cost driver is in between 0 and 3. Okay. In intermediate COCOMO model, cost drivers are classified as being attributes of product, computer, personal, development, environment, and all these are present in the cost drivers product. In the intermediate COCOMO, product or computer, both were differentiated. As we know, product means required software reliability extending, computer means runtime performance and constant. Okay, in this product size matters and in computer memory matters, it volatile, virtual and return turnabout time and requirement, all this. And product complexity of the product is also there. So intermediate means development environment and personal environment. It working in this both software tools and analysts and application of software engineering methods are used, and software engineering capability and application experience are used in personal COCOMO model. Okay, last one is the complete. Complete COCOMO means it incorporate all qualities of the standard version with an assessment of the cost driver. Consider software product as a bunch of software system or development team might have no experience on similar type of project. Means it is used in subsystem COCOMO model. Okay. Next one, what is complete COCOMO? In this 6 phases of complete COCOMO, first one is the planning and requirement, second one is the system architecture, complete architecture, module cost and test and integration and cost constructive. All these phases are in complete COCOMO model. Now here one COCOMO 2 model is also launches. It incorporates a range of sub-model that produce detailed software estimate. It provides accurate cost and schedule estimates. It is used for constructive, normative and evolving model also to understand the definition of the model input, output and assumptions. Okay, this one is the COCOMO 2 model. In this, some models are there: application composition model, early design, reuse model, post architecture model. All this software is composed where the requirements are available or not, used to compute the effort of integrating reusable content, or when system architecture is ready and information is available. Okay, so thank you.